Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make a review about a dashcam called Kingslim D4 dashcam. It's a dual dashcam. It's a 4K dashcam, and it has built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. I'm going to make this video in two parts. First part I'm going to show what comes in the box, and the next part I'm going to show you how to install it and give you the review about the video quality. Okay, let's see what we got. This is the main camera. Okay, and that's the screen, and this part comes separate as well. It's just the GPS. I put that in already. So yeah. Okay, and this one here is the rear camera. It comes with long cables, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, and this is the power cable. Right. It comes with the handy plastic thing, so you can hide your cable in the car. Okay, and it gives you some glue sticks as well. So, and a small quick guidebook. It doesn't come with the SD card, so you have to buy separately. I ordered one from Amazon as well, which is $26 Scandex, 128 GB. I'll recommend you to buy one, class 10 one, which is good for your camera, and recommended by Kingslim as well. Okay, yeah, and I'll see you in my next video, which is part 2, and I'll show you how to install it and give you a review about the video quality. Thank you.